Hey, what's up, guys? Here with another little video. Just kind of what I'm doing here is really not much of a review. It's more of I want to put videos up on the internet, just to kind of get my channel started. I will do thorough reviews of the gun, maybe some in the range, stuff like that. I got my little Mossberg 500 right here. Got my little bush now. Got a red dot on there. Some people don't like that. I do. It's pretty cool. Yeah, there she goes. Little red dot right there. On the left side right there, I got my iTac Defense flashlight. It's got 2 modes. Flashlight. And it also has strobe, which is pretty cool. I like that feature. Kind of had a little fail there. It's alright. This gun was made to be beat up, thrown around. It's made for war, made for killing zombies. That's right. Over there I got my Beretta M9. Here it's unloaded. Nice little gun. I will do a review on that too. Probably at the range, because this gun is brand new. I have not shot it. It is brand spanking new. So we'll be doing a review on that right there. Yeah, these are my favorite loads for the Mossberg 12 gauge right there. The PDX 12 gauge. Love those. But yeah, that's basically what this is. Sorry, it's not a specs on it or anything like that. It's just, something where you could look at and say, hey, that looks pretty cool, I might do that to my gun. They are awesome guns, shoot really good. Got a pistol grip for it in case you want to make a pistol grip. But I like it the way it is. It's got a stock on it. It sits next to my bed sometimes if I'm in the mood for. If it's, sometimes I rotate my guns for home defense. Sometimes I have the Mossberg or the Glock, stuff like that. I got my little adapter here. I have my flashlight on in the truck, but if I wanted to, I could put this on my gun and have a flashlight ready. I do have a flashlight in the truck that goes on that, and it's from the cell phone. Anyways, that's basically what it is just take a look at some firearms. I do keep them pretty clean. I think all my firearms look pretty clean. I don't have any that are too jacked up, so they're pretty nice to look at. This is just a little, man, that looks nice right there. That is a pretty nice Mossberg, if you ask me. I did change this out. I have a Mossberg 88 that I put the original heat shield on. I put it on the Mossberg and kept the original stock on the Mossberg 88. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of enjoy shooting the Mossberg 88 a little more, just because this is a little heavy. It is pretty heavy, and I don't have it, with all this stuff on here. It's just the gun itself, 18.5-inch barrel. Yeah, well, that's just kind of want to do some videos on some of my guns, and probably do some cleaning videos once I get a really nice camera. Right now, since it's just my cell phone, I don't want to make videos that are too long, kind of sketchy, stuff like that. So let me know what you think of the Mossberg. Alright, thanks guys.